In our video today, we present the wide range of battery terminal clamps available.
Our program includes over 100 different battery terminal clamps, and as you can see, we also have the matching covers. You'll see how everything fits together and what to pay attention to now.
Our battery terminal clamps impress with their high quality of workmanship and precision fit.
They are made of high-quality brass for excellent conductivity. Further details and all product information you need can be found in our installation catalog or online catalog.
What we also have is that for most of our battery terminal clamps, we also have the matching covers.
So we've already mentioned various battery terminal clamps. What are the differences? I looked in our catalog and there is so much. Can you clarify that a bit?
There are different shapes. For example, we have shapes A to G in our program. Form A, for example, indicates that it is for the positive terminal and has a diameter of 17.5. And shape B, as an example, has a diameter of 15.9 and is for the negative terminal.
Quick interruption. But here you can always see directly what each one is. We can check, but we know it's right. This is the negative terminal and this is the positive one.
There are two types of DIN standards. One is DIN 72331, which is for the positive terminal. The other is DIN 72332, which is for the negative pole.
Anyone who wants to know what that is knows they need to look it up. Otherwise, you can just check for the right battery terminal clamps.
Yes, all the information is listed in our catalog. Then there are special battery terminal clamps like our Quick Power. The Quick Power, originally from Rally Sports, has the advantage of being easily removed by lifting the cover. I can simply pull it off. This is important, for example, in case of a fire or short circuit. It's a great feature.
It could also be used for additional batteries in vehicles that were installed later. Over here we have the Quick Brake, which is for our classic car enthusiasts. This is about interrupting the power supply at the negative terminal. Why? Because we have a car that we don't move often. Of course, we sometimes have consumers connected. Here we can simply interrupt the power supply from the vehicle by loosening the green screw with 1 or 2 turns. This way, after the season or when it's time to start again, you'll have a nice battery that still performs well.
Yes, and then, last but not least, we have the Quick Look. This means that here it's simply done with a bayonet lock. I don't need any tools to release it. And here, of course, you have various connection options for additional cables that I want to lead to other consumers or devices. So that's the overview. Now you know about our battery clamps.
Everything else you need to know is in the description. You can find it in our online catalog or, as we showed you, in the installation catalog.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to
Not miss a single video.